At alam mo ba, ito ang ikatlong sunod na taon na nakakuhang ang OBP ng unmodified opinion. Ang ibig sabihin nun, klaro. Diyan yung kanilang audit sa OBP.
So, pagka naka-receive po ang isang ahensya ng unmodified audit opinion, maligaya na po silang lahat.
Three
Tatlong
consecutive.
sunod na taon? Ba, parang hindi tama ata. Parang kabaliktaran ata ng mga nangyaring investigasyon yan.
Ayun nga. Yun nga ang nangyayari ngayon. Oh.
Tawag natin si Ma'am RUTH. Ma'am RUTH, ano po masasabi ninyo?
Okay. Thank you, Camille. Okay. I understand that unmodified opinion and a modified opinion, hindi naman rin talaga ordinarily maintindihan. Kahit ako, I need to get used to COA lingo kasi iba yung kanilang medyo mas technical sila kesa sa ordinary language. Ang unmodified opinion, there are two things. Unmodified audit opinion and modified audit opinion. Itong modified and unmodified is applied to financial statements that are subject to audit. Meron po kasing tatlong klase ng audit. This is the financial statements, there is the compliance audit, and there is a performance audit. So ito pong modified and unmodified opinion are used only for financial statements. So dalawa lang yung magiging sagot ng COA dyan, whether it's modified or unmodified. And I mentioned that for the last 3 years since 2022, puro unmodified opinion po ang binibigay ng COA sa Office of the Vice President. And this means na wala pong, maayos po ang pagpresenta ng kanilang financial statements. Ang financial statements na po na ito, ang kino-cover niya yung mga, it covers the accounts and the operations, yung mga transactions po na ginawa ng Office of the Vice President. So for the last 3 years, like I said, unmodified ang opinion. Ang ibig sabihin po ng unmodified opinion, the financial statements are prepared in accordance with the applicable financial reporting framework in all material requests. This applicable financial reporting framework is a requirement that is adopted also by the Commission on Audit, by the international standards of audit, mga foreign international institutions na po ito, and the international standards of supreme audit institutions. So, pagka naka-receive po ang isang ahensya ng unmodified audit opinion, maligaya na po silang lahat.
Ayun man pala eh. May paliwanag na eh. Diyan eh. Ha?